I will talk about how can you book on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just here select your so here can you select any events you want to book. So I'm going to click on this events here. So you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you select here, you select so price here, then I'm just click on this, then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you select tickets, how many tickets you want to get. So I'm going to add one for example here. So then here can you add payment methods here, then automatically here when you add your card information, click on add, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching, and here too can you add your credit or debit card. So that's all. Thank you for watching.